What's up, Chad? What's up? Yo, 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 yo. We're back. We're back with another hike. This hike is Linda Falls. We're close to Napa, like 20 minutes away from Napa. Just look at the beauty. So yeah, Chad, Linda Falls near Napa, California. And this stream we're gonna talk about health, fitness, and real life. You know. Everybody say hi to my wife. Just enjoying nature. People underestimate hikes, but hikes are pretty nice, pretty good for cardio, stress relief, mindset reset. You can't be working all the time, you know. You gotta take a break and get in touch with nature. Also, chat, nature helps mental clarity. Hmm? You want a mic? Oh yeah, happy Memorial Day, guys. If you guys seen my workout video, my workout stream in the morning. So yeah, chat. Incline hiking burns more calories than people think, chat. Yeah, so we got the map right here, chat. Linda Falls Preserve. Take a little left, and there we go. You got it?
Yeah.
Some people think fitness is only lifting weights, but being active outside is part of the health too. So things like this, going out in nature, that's fitness too, chat. Also, chat, if you're a beginner and you're trying to lose weight, start simple. Just start by walking, come to little hikes like this. This hike right here is 2 miles. I choose this hike because it's nice. It has views, and I wanted my wife to come with me. So it's an easy hike. So you'll see what we have at the end. It's a reward.
We should go to the one. Remember the it's in a cave. There's a waterfall too.
Did we already go to it?
No, I mean
Oh.
a couple years ago. Pretty cool over there.
Oh, we should go to the water, to the river under the water, the river cave.
Yeah, that's I think.
Oh, that's what you're talking about? Oh, okay.
Oh my God, for me.
Quick health tip, chat. Protein helps you keep full longer. So before you do any hikes like this, make sure to drink like a protein shake or take a high protein meal. That way you don't feel all out of energy and stuff like that. Because these hikes do get you tired real quick. Because you're moving, your body's moving, so you're consuming the calories, that you're consuming all your protein. So yeah, chat, drink a protein before you do hikes. That sounds like a jet. Oh yes, oh yeah. I can hear the waterfall. By the way, Chad, thank you for the new follower. I got 5 followers now. This feels so peaceful, chat.
What day is it?
Yeah.
It's not hot. It's not. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, here's the water. There's two.
Yeah, that's an O. So that's the different trail. I never gone to that one yet, but the one we gotta go to this one right here. That's the one we gotta go. The one with nice views.
Let's do it.
Next time we'll go over there.
And maybe on our way back.
The problem is I don't know how long, how far is that trail?
Because we need to be home by 4. This one has a good look. Right there.
We're almost there. And then we go this way. Look at they left you a stick right there. So if you want to take the
I'll take. I think every year I don't know what's going on.
also chat, walking after meals help you digest your food faster. So a couple of miles, won't hurt after a meal. Yeah, we'll just go that way.
Or I don't know. I want to go that way.
You good?
This is scary. But I feel both situations. Remember the high that I saw? This is nothing compared to the one I had to pull the riata, remember this?
Oh yeah. The other waterfall.
Yeah. Wait for the mother.
We got two viewers. Shout out, 2 viewers. We're over here in Linda Falls, close to Napa, California.
I think this is San Helena. I think. Helena. 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 Si me caigo, me caigo.
No. Be careful. You good? Hey,
Ooh.
maybe that stick was the ladies in. Be careful.
Híjole.
Whoa.
I have to bring my hiking issues, but I was like, no, it's gonna be easy.
What's harder for you, chat? Starting a journey or staying consistent?
Consistent. Mhm. I think there's people down here.
Yeah.
The voices. I could come down if easy, but the hill back is kind of hard.
Whoa, whoa. Be careful.